Okay, the reason that we create these web pages and websites is that we have a message we want to share with the World Wide Web community. We need two more things to do that. We need a registered domain name like www.apple.com, and we need a web host. A web host is a place that will hold our web pages and make them available 7 by 24. We'll talk about web hosts in our next screencast. This time, we're going to talk about domain name registration. My favorite spot to register domain names is a website called machighway.com. And that's what we're looking at right now. And towards the bottom on the left column, you'll see that black box that says find a domain name. I'm going to type my name right there. Now, when you choose a domain name, you want something that's short, easy to remember, easy to key in, and that's associated with you. If I wanted a website for me, Mark Winegar might be an outstanding choice. And so that's what I've typed in. Now I can choose any kind of extension to that. A .com is usually used for a commercial enterprise or a business. .nets are for internet service providers. Then you've got biz for businesses. .org is very common. That's for nonprofit organizations. Some other ones that I might consider would be .us for the United States, .us.com, which would be a commercial enterprise in the United States. .edu would be used for an educational organization, but that is a special use and you've got to go through a special registration system for that. It's not available through most domain name registrars. So I'm going to stick with .com and I'm going to click on the Go button. And that's going to take me to this page, which is the domain name checker. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and it tells me that markwinegar.com is already taken. Now, actually, that's not a surprise to me. I am markwinegar.com. So I'm going to choose some other choices. What about markwinegar.org or markwinegar.biz or markwinegar.us for the United States? US.com. Let's look those up and see if they're available. So I check the ones that I'm interested in and click look up again. If we scroll down, we can see that all of our other choices are available. Now the .us.com version is a bit pricey. That would cost me $30 per year. The markwinegar.org, .biz, and .us are only $9.95 per year. So I'm probably going to go with that option. And you can also register it for 2 years for twice the price. Now, the benefit of registering your domain name is that no one else can use it. So if I tell people that my website is www.markwinegar.com, I'm the only one that can use it. No one else can have their web pages viewable at my domain. Okay? All right, next time we'll talk about web hosts and we'll come right back to Mac Highway to take a look at that.